So combinations we are going to learn. What is mean by permutation? Permutation बोले तो क्या है?
The arrangement of things, sir, in some order.
Arrangement. Here combination is nothing but selection. In how many ways you can select? Okay, how many ways you can only select. Suppose if you want to select, that means I will show it to you very clearly. The details to the presentation easily you can understand, I think so. So that is it visible to you? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here combinations. So the formula for computing the combinations, if you are taking, the notation of permutations is based on the order of arrangement of the objects. Permutation is order of the arrangement of the objects. Objects किस order में है वो भी consider permutation में. But if you are taking in the combination, not like that. Suppose you take the 3 points A, B, C are the 3 points if you are taking into consider. And if you join these 3 points, you are going to get a triangle. And if you want to find out the here AB is a one side, BC is a one side, AC is a. So 2 points को join कर ले. So you are joining the 2 points. So you are getting how many sides here? Selecting of the 2 points. AB, BA, both the represents the same. So you are, that means the line segment AB whenever you say line segment BA you go. So order of the points are chosen to draw the line is not important here in this case. So AB line segment you say, BA line segment you say, both are same only. And in case of AC, BC, if you are taking, and another line segment BC is 1, so 3 line segments you are going to get when you take the 3 points. Okay. So wait for it. So the what is the formula for computing the combinations? Combinations compute करने के लिए formula क्या है? NPR is a permutations and combinations के NCR. Suppose you take the 3 letters X, Y, Z. So through this example easily you can understand what is meant by exactly combination. So number of ways of selecting the 2 letters out of these 3 letters XY, XZ, YZ. That's all. Using the 3 digits different objects taken 2 at a time, we get the 3 different combinations. XY or YX is the one combination only, same combination. So order is not that. So taken 2 at a time out of 3 is represented by 3C2. It is represented by 3C2, that is equals to 3. But permutation whenever you are taking into consider, it is represented by 3P2 and that is equals to 6. So here if you take the combination में XY, permutation में XY होता है, YX होता है. So that is different. Number of ways of arrangement, here number of ways of selection. Selection is a combination, arrangement is a, so 3C2 into 2 factorial is equals to 3P2. So that is nothing but 3P2 में 2 factorial means from this easily you can compute 3C2 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial multiply कर ले तो because every time 2 times you are getting ना. So that इसको 2 multiply कर लिया है तो because 2 numbers can be arranged themselves in 2 factorial ways. Permutation आने के लिए combination में what to do in the combination? Yesterday we have taken the one problem. Vowels, all the vowels together problem we have taken. So in that all the vowels one unit we have taken and all the vowels 5 vowels are there. So that they can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. Here in the same way XY is the letter. XY is the one combination and XY, YZ 2 ways you are getting. So that's why combinations को 2 factorial लेना है. So means now how many we are selecting, that should be multiplied. NCR into R factorial. If you multiply, then you are going to get the NPR. So with the help of this, you are going to get the NCR फॉर्मूला, NCR फॉर्मूला टू गेट NCR R फैक्टोरियल को राइट साइड लेके आओ, वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट NCR इज इक्वल्स टू, देखो NCR को R फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड कर लिया. सो NCR इज इक्वल्स टू n फैक्टोरियल बाई n माइनस R फैक्टोरियल इनटू R फैक्टोरियल. So this is very much important and everyone note this one. NCR is equals to n factorial by n minus R factorial into R factorial. Okay. So here the value of the 0 factorial, yesterday I told you this one also, value of the 0 factorial is taken as a 1. Now if you are taking some students are taken into this, how many members are there in these players? How many players are there?
8.
8 players are there. One number also given to you, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So out of the 8 players you need to select the 1 2 3 4 6 players, 6 members को highlight कर लिया है. So in how many ways you can select the out of 8 players 6 players को select करना है. In how many ways you can select them? So that is nothing but n is equals to number of the persons exist, number of the players exist is
8C6.
8C6. So the team can be selected in 28 different ways. Means out of 8 students,
40.
out of 8 students, 28 different ways you can select the selection. Means selection can be done in 28 different ways. So 8C6. So based on the combinations you are going to have the some theorems. Based on the combinations you are going to have the some theorems also. Based on the theorems only we are going to have the problems also. Okay. So the theorems what are the theorems represents? Let us see the theorems now. Okay. अभी तक समझ में आया ना? What is exactly mean by combination? NCR. Okay. So let us see the theorems based on that, and then after the problems of the exercise 7.4. Okay. So the theorems based on the combinations. So these are theorems based on permutations and combinations of the n objects taken R at a time. So out of the taken R at a time, she is represented by NCR. So now first theorem is NCR is equals to NCR into R factorial. That is already proved in the previous. NPR is equals to NCR into R factorial. Okay. So this one already proved in the previous. Very simple to prove that one. What is there here? N objects are taken and R places are there. In these R places, N objects. Total number of objects are N. So number of ways of placing these N objects in R places is represented by NPR. That is, we are placing this. Means that is nothing but we are arranging them. So in how many ways you can select the R objects out of N objects? Selection. How many ways you can select means that is called NCR. वही balls को कुछ balls को select कर रहा है. Actually permutation is nothing but select करके हम arrange करते हैं. Permutation is nothing but selection and arrangement. Combination is nothing but only selection. So whenever you take that, the combination number will be lesser than the permutation. So here if you see that NCR is equals to NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. So this is a one theorem you are going to have. So NCR formula क्या है? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So the proof is that already very simple proof. It is already proved in the previous class. Okay. So next second result is NC0. NC0 value is, this is very much helpful to you in your binomial theorem also. Binomial theorem में use होता है. NC0 value 1, NCN value also 1. NC0 value 1, NCN value also 1. NC1 value, so third result is NCN minus R. This I will explain to you on the board very clearly. So if you get confused, first you see this one, then after on the board I will come to the board. Okay. NCN minus R is equals to NCR. इसमें क्या होना है ना, सिंपल थिंग, इधर क्या नंबर है n minus R, इधर क्या है R, ये दोनों को ऐड कर लिया तो n आना है. So that is a result. Okay, what is the result? You see that nc n minus r formula में देखो, इसमें substitute कर लिया तो भी the same thing you are going to get. nc n minus r is equal to nc r, third result. And fourth result is nc n is equals to 1. nc n is equals to 1. Is it clear to you? And nc n minus 1 nc 0 आ जाएगा from the previous result. From the previous result nc r is equals to nc n minus r placement. So now here see here, this is also very important. nc a is equals to nc b, then a is equals to b होना है, otherwise n is equals to a plus b होना है. ये दोनों सेम होना है, नहीं है तो ये दोनों का सम n को इक्वल होना है. So from that easily examples if I give it to you, then easily you can understand. Okay, suppose if it is not equals to a, their sum should be equals to n. If it is not equals to a, both are not equal, then their sum should be equals to n. n factorial. So simplify करके वो prove करते थे वो, n minus a factorial, n minus a, n minus a minus 1 and so on, a factorial, n minus b, b into, here a is less than b is given to you. So a less than b is nothing but n minus a is greater than n minus b. So from this easily you can understand. If you are taking into some examples, through the examples easily you can understand this one, the result. So what you are going to get here, see here n minus a minus 1, n minus a minus 2, and n minus b factorial, and this n minus b factorial will get cancelled. Okay, and here in the same way, here a factorial will get cancelled. So what is left over? N minus a into n minus a, 2 n minus b plus 1 tak will be left over. Apart from that, here you are going to have the b minus 1 until the a plus 1 is left over. Now here n minus a is equals to b. N minus a part will be equal to b minus 1, this part will be equal to b minus 2, this part will be equal to a plus 1. If it is equals to, then from this you are going to get n is equals to a plus b. So these are the theorems we are going to have in your combinations concept. Combinations concept में ये theorems है, और apart from this theorem you are going to have the one more, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR. Okay, another result you are going to have NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR. So that also I will explain to you, that is not shown to you in the video. Okay, so here I think there is some disturbance is there, work is going on, that's why I closed the windows. Okay, so now previously whatever we learned, once again I will explain to you that actually here if you take into consider the proofs, if you are taking into consider, hence main thing is NCR is equals to NCN minus R. This is okay, NCR is equals to NCN minus R. Okay. And this to explain is very simple. 8C6 will be is equals to 8C2 because 6 and 2 add कर लिया तो then 8 आ जाएगा. You find out the value of this one. 8C6 value find out करो. So what do you get here? 8 factorial by 8 minus 6 factorial, 2 factorial by 6 factorial. As per the NCR formula क्या है? First you write NCR is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, so using this, if you are doing this, you are going to get for NC 2 what you get 8 factorial by 8 minus 2 factorial is 6 factorial and 2 factorial. देखो this one and this one both are same you are getting. So whenever you are finding also, the easiest way to find out, suppose if I am giving to you 8c6 to you to find out, 8c6 find out करने के लिए if it is given to you, that can be written as 8c2, and whenever it is given to you, simple way of writing is either 2 it is given to you ना, 2 times decrease करते जाओ 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2. Suppose if it is given to you 6c4 variant, you can write this one as a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 4 numbers you have to write, go on decreasing, divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. It is not necessary to you to write every time the formula, but instead of writing this one, but you can write using the previous theorem, 6c2 लिख सकते हैं, but 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 if you do, both the results you are going to get the same, because 3 4 will get cancelled. 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, so यही आ जाएगा. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Did you understand? ये समझ में आया?
तो थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आ गया.
किधर किधर कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं?
सर आपने जैसे कि 6 था ना, 8c6 था ना, उसको सर आपने 8c2 कैसे लिखा था, वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा था.
C2 किधर कैसे लिखना है ना? If it is very simple, ये दोनों का सम होता है ना. Here NCA is equals to NCB implies either A is equals to B or A plus B is equals to N. ये दोनों का सम n को इक्वल होना है. ये 6 to 2 sum will be equals to 8 होना है. Suppose I have given you some example 9c3 given you. It will be equal to 9c.
यस सर.
हाँ?
हाँ सर.
9c.
6.
Ah, yes, 6. Because 3 and 6 sum will be equal to 9. ये दोनों का सम ये
9 होगा.
ओके?
हाँ.
आया बिल्कुल.
हाँ सर.
Okay. Now let us go for the next theorem which is not discussed till now. That is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to. Another theorem is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to N plus 1 CR. This one also proof you can do in the same way. NCR plus NCR minus 1. So NCR is nothing but one. ये पहले वाले left hand side वाला ले लो. NCR plus NCR minus 1. NCR formula apply करो. N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus N factorial by N minus in the brackets R minus 1. So that becomes R plus 1 factorial by R minus 1. दोनों को प्लस करना है. So to do the sum of these two, so what can you do? Here you are having R factorial, here R minus 1 factorial. So इधर हमको R चाहिए. We need R here. So do remember we need to find out the sum of these two. Otherwise we can take the common also. Common भी ले सकते हैं. So see here, you write here N factorial, right? This you write as a N minus R into, okay, N minus R now. N minus R factorial as it is देखो. R को R into R minus 1 factorial. R I am writing as a R into R minus 1 factorial. ये समझ में आया?
यस सर.
Plus N factorial by इसको N minus R plus 1 into N minus R factorial I am writing, and here R minus 1 factorial. Because why? Because here R minus 1 factorial, here R minus 1 factorial. That's why इसको R into R minus 1. Here N minus R factorial, here N minus R factorial. So you can take the common N factorial by what is N minus R factorial into R minus 1 factorial. You can take common from these two. So here left hand side में क्या बचता है 1 by r बचता है plus right hand side में क्या बचता है 1 by n minus r plus 1 is going to be left over. So if you simplify the part n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial by r into n minus r plus 1. n minus r plus 1 LCM कर लिया. So this one you are going to have cross multiply कर लो plus r. ये एक आंसर. So what you are going to get here? n factorial into n plus 1 numerator में. Denominator में n minus r factorial r minus 1 factorial into r into n minus r plus 1. So this, if you are observing properly, you can write it as n factorial into n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into n minus r plus 1 can be written as this one. Suppose if I am asking 5 into 4 factorial, otherwise 4 factorial into 5 I am writing. Can I write as a 5 factorial? Can I write as a 5 factorial?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, n minus r factorial into इसको 1 ऐड करने तो ये आ जाएगा. So this into this one can be written as this factorial. 4 factorial into 5 can be written as 5 factorial. ना? In the same way, this one and इसका 1 extra है. ये इसका factorial and इसका 1 extra है can be written as n minus r plus 1 factorial. n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, so now and r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 को 1 ऐड कर दिया तो r आ जाएगा. r है, so that can be written as r, isn't it? So now here if you want, you can write it as n plus 1 factorial, right? n plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is n plus 1 cr. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
I have proved it, but this result is better to you to remember for your competitive examinations in the future. For your competitive examinations in the future, that is better to you to remember. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
now,
sir.
The exercise problems based on this exercise 7.4. समझ में आया ना? Exercise 7.4. So here first question is given to you, NC8 is equal to NC2. Find NC2. How do you find? NC8 is equals to NC2. This implies n is equals to 8 plus 2. So n is equals to 2. So asking you to find NC2. That is nothing but 10C2. That is nothing but 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. I said to you not directly. How do you write? Actually, if you use the formula also, this one only you are doing 10 factorial, right? 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is equals to 10 factorial by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 8 factorial into 1 into 2. So ये दोनों cancel. So 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. लेंथी प्रोसेस है. इजी प्रोसेस क्या है ना? सिंपल. सपोज एनीथिंग C2 if you want to find out. Suppose I am asking you 16C3 find out करने के लिए बोलो. If I am asking you to find out 16C3, so 16 से स्टार्ट करके डिक्रीज करके 3 नंबर्स लिखना है. 16 से स्टार्ट करके 3 नंबर्स, बिकॉज़ 3 है ना, 3 नंबर्स नीचे डिक्रीज करते जाना 1 1 1 1. Next by 1 into 2 into 3. That's all. You are going to get the answer there. Same thing only you are going to get. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? ये वाला थोड़ा सी clear तो थोड़ा easily you can find out the values. It's a C2 values you can find out in easiest way. Okay. So second question, let us move it to the second question. So ये simplify करना है. So 2 1 2 5 this is equals to 45. Okay. So here, determine n. Second question is given to you. N value you have to determine. And 2n C2 east n C3 is equals to 12 is to 1. I think so that problems you can solve it. You try the problems. Okay. So difficult problems last में होता है, वो problems discuss करेंगे हम. Okay. Second problem is easily you can do it. Third problem also you can do. How many cards can be? What is meant by a card? What is meant by a chord? It is not a chart. इसको चार्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है chord. What is meant by a chord? In a circle.
Joining of any two points from the circumference.
Sir, a line touching two individual points in the circumference of a circle.
There is a more disturbance when you are trying to speak. Okay, I will tell you. A circle if you are taking it to a line segment joins any two points on the circle is called as a curve. Any two points in the line is joining these 2 points. So here, how many curves can be drawn? So 1 points on the circle. Like this, if you are point A1, A2, A3, like this, your point you are taking. So here, how we go? Out of 21 points. We select the 2 points out of 21 points. So number of ways of selecting the 2 points out of 21 points, 21 C2. Okay?
Sir, the board is not visible, sir.
How did most of the students how many combination only should be taken? ये एक्सरसाइज देखिए ये कॉम्बिनेशन पता चल रहा है. सिचुएशन देखो ये पर ये क्लियर है. Both things represent the same. It is not asking you to arrange the 21 points. 21 points को arrange करने के लिए नहीं. So how many cards can be drawn through the 21 points on the circle is 21 C2. So इसका value क्या है 21 into 20 by 1 into 2. So which is equals to 210. 210. समझ में आया? दिया क्या नहीं उधर Did you understand here? Board is blur. Board नहीं दिख रहे.
सर आपकी वॉइस भी क्रैक हो रही है.
What?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
For all, it's like that only.
Yes, sir.
It's not clear.
No, sir.